Good morning everyone. I, Shagun, welcome you all to the Akashvani program of StudyIQ. Let's start with the important news of the day, from where questions can be asked in the examinations. Before moving forward, I'd like to tell you that you can join my Telegram channel for all the updates of Akashvani videos. Let's get started. Chief Election Commissioner. Rajiv Kumar has been appointed as the Chief Election Commissioner. He will assume his office from 15th May 2022. It is worth mentioning that earlier Sushil Chandra was in the post of Chief Election Commissioner. He is appointed by the President in accordance with Article 324(2) of the Constitution. Interestingly, the Election Commission is made up of a Chief Election Commissioner and 2 other election commissioners. The Election Commission is a permanent and independent body. It is described in Article 324 of the Constitution. It has the responsibility of conducting, directing and controlling the offices of Parliament, state legislatures, President and Vice President. It is an all-India institution because it is the same for both the central and state government. Its functions include preparing electoral rolls, registering votes, determining the date and timetable of the election, and examining the nomination papers. Furthermore, it also looks after the recognition of political parties and the allotment of election symbols. Additionally, it also resolves any dispute regarding the elections, symbols, and political parties. Now the next news. Powers of Governor. The Supreme Court has objected on the claims made by the government that the power to pardon the sentenced rests only with the President and not with the Governor. In fact, the central government believed that the case of pardoning A.G. Perarivalan, who is convicted in the assassination case of former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi, only President has an exclusive power to decide. On this, the Supreme Court says that this claim will jeopardize the validity of Article 161 of the Constitution. Let us tell you that Article 161 describes the pardoning powers of the governor. According to Article 161, the governor of a state has to deal with the matter to which the executive power of the state extends, and she or he has the power to pardon a convicted offender of an offence against any law. Moving on to the next news. Yamuna. According to experts, the water of Yamuna river can be made bathable by the year 2025. For this, domestic wastewater and industrial effluents will have to be treated. The water of Yamuna will then be considered bathable when BOD, that is biological oxygen demand, decreases to be less than 3 mg per litre. And DO, that is dissolved oxygen, maintains a level of more than 5 mg per litre. Significantly, dissolved oxygen is the amount of oxygen that is available to living aquatic organisms. If the dissolved oxygen falls below 5 mg per litre, then the life of aquatic animals will be in danger. Let us tell you that Yamuna is the largest tributary of the Ganges. It originates from Yamunotri Glacier near Bandar Pooch Peak in Uttarkashi district of Uttarakhand. Now the last news. United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification, that is UNCCD. COP15 of UNCCD, that is United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification, is being held in Abidjan, Côte d'Ivoire. Its theme is Land Life Legacy, from Scarcity to Prosperity. It is worth noting that the COP14 was held in New Delhi, India in 2019. It was chaired by India. Now India has handed over the presidency to Côte d'Ivoire. The United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification is the only legally binding convention on land-related issues. Its purpose is to preserve the land naturally. UNCCD is one of the 3 Rio Conventions decided in the Earth Summit held in 1992. Now let's note down the question of the day. Which 3 Rio Conventions were discussed in the Earth Summit held in 1992? Write your answers in the comment section below. So friends, this was it for today. We'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.